Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to get a Kroger card in 2025. If you're a grocery shopper looking to save big on deals, fuel points, and exclusive offers, this is the video for you. Kroger's loyalty card is completely free and super easy to get, making it a no-brainer for anyone shopping at their stores. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is a Kroger card? It's a rewards program that lets you earn points on purchases, access digital coupons, and even get discounts on gas. With updates in 2025, it might include even more perks like personalized recommendations, so getting one now puts you ahead. Step 1. Head to the official Kroger website at Kroger.com. Look for the Sign Up or Get a Kroger Card button. It's usually front and center. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address, setting a password, and providing some basic info like your name, address, and phone number. This only takes a minute or two. Step 2. Once your account is set up, you can choose to get a physical card mailed to you or opt for a digital version. Downloading the Kroger app is a smart move here. It's available for free on both iOS and Android devices. In the app, you can add your card to your wallet for quick scanning at checkout. If you prefer the in-person route, step 3 is to visit your nearest Kroger store. Head to the customer service desk, tell them you want to sign up, and they'll guide you through the process on the spot. You'll fill out a quick form and might even get your card right away. After signing up, make sure to activate your card if prompted. Check your email or the app for instructions. And that's it. Start using your card on your next shopping trip to rack up those rewards. A quick tip for 2025. Keep an eye on Kroger's website for any new features or requirements, as things might change. This card could save you hundreds over the year, so don't wait. Get yours today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.